Hi, this is Bianca. I'm sure you're sick and tired of those trades that look perfect at first, but end up turning into stress and losses. Today, I'll show you my safe trading method, the exact setup that helped me reach a stable profit. I used a strategy based on 3 moving averages and awesome oscillator. No complications, no unnecessary steps. In this video, you'll see how easily you can navigate the chart and read it one step ahead. Let's go! If you ever lost your balance because of rushing or entering at the wrong moment, try an approach that eliminates the chaos. In my Telegram, I show live trades, give access to my account, and let you copy trades automatically in the same second. You don't pay for access, and you're fully in control. Every day, I share trading ideas and working methods that you won't find in public videos.
Now I make like $500 every single day.
My balance is rising each day.
The spots are limited, only 3 left. The link is in the description. Message me and I'll add you. Let's start with the platform setup. It helps me get results faster and see the market movement clearly. Chart type candlestick. Today I'm setting the time frame to 5 minutes. I'll be trading with the following indicators. Awesome shows how strong the current market impulse is. And the 3 moving averages, each one shows its own reaction speed to price. Now I'll add the moving average settings. The first, 20 SMA. This is the fast moving average. It shows short-term moves. I'll make it yellow and thicker. The second, 40 SMA. It's medium term and reflects the overall market tendency. I'll make it orange. And the third, 120 SMA. This is the long-term one. It shows the global trend. I'll make it blue. All 3 lines help visually determine which phase the market is in: growth, correction, or reversal. These intersections show the shift of trend phases, formation, development, and the end of the movement. The strategy built around them gives a clear understanding of when the trend is just beginning, when it's stable, and when it's losing strength, which makes the combination very useful for trend trading and timely exits. The chart is ready. Let's begin. Today's trading looks promising, so I'm opening a down trade for $65, 5-minute duration. Based on my forecast, the price will keep falling. Here's why. First, look at the blue line. That's the 120 SMA. It's the most important line. It shows the overall trend. It's almost flat, but the key point is that the price is below it. That means the global background is already weak and the market is trading under its long-term average. Here's the yellow one, the 20 SMA, the fastest, the orange one, the 40 SMA is slightly slower. Both of them cross the blue line from above downward. That is a very strong indicator signal. That is a classic trend staircase when the market shows you the trend is your friend, and right now that friend is bearish. Now look at the awesome oscillator below. It's fully below the 0 line, already a sign of weak buyers. And most importantly, there was a small patch of green bars, as if the market tried to pull back upward. But now, the red bars are appearing again. This means the downward impulse has resumed and the pullback has ended. And all of this matches what's happening in the candles. A small upward pullback happened, but it dried out. The candles turned red again and sellers returned. When these signals stack together, downward trend, moving averages aligned correctly, crossings already happened, pullback ended, awesome shows impulse returning, a down trade becomes completely logical. The market is literally giving you the clues, waiting for the trade to close. And my trade brings me a positive of $124 to the balance. Perfect. So I've already found a suitable entry point and I'm opening another down trade for $124. Look again. The blue line is above the candles and pointed forward. Just like in the previous trade, that means the market is trading under its long-term average level. Both lines, the yellow and the orange, have already crossed the blue 120 SMA from above downward. This is a powerful signal that the market phase has changed, sellers have taken control, and the market has shifted into a downtrend. Now let's look at the awesome oscillator. Before the entry, there was a large block of red bars below 0, a strong downward impulse. Then the bar started shrinking and turned green. That was the pullback, a correction against the trend. At the moment of entry, the green bars are no longer growing sharply, they are leveling off. The upward impulse is slowing, meaning buyers are running out of steam. The indicator does not show a full market reversal here. It shows a correction after a drop that is nearing its end. So the scenario is clear and structured. Therefore, we wait for the trade to close. And my trade brings me a positive of $238. Perfect. We are right on plan. If you're tired of doubting every entry and want to truly understand the market, simply join my Telegram. There you'll see trades in real time and you can enable automatic copying, emotion-free and without unnecessary risks. I give access to the account, break down entry logic, and publish working setups every day. Everything is free and you stay fully in control. Spots are limited. Take a look while they're still available. The link is in the description. Message me and I'll add you. Now I'll show you an equally interesting situation. The opposite of the previous ones. I'm opening an up trade for $238. I expect the price to move upward and here's why. The blue line shows the long-term trend. Previously, the price was below it, but at the moment of entry, the candles rise above the 120 SMA and hold above it. This means the overall direction is starting to shift towards growth. Now the yellow line crosses the blue one from below upward and the orange line confirms when it's an upward crossing. This indicates the market is gradually transitioning into upward movement. An excellent combination here. The awesome oscillator is already in the positive zone, above zero. Green candles have appeared and they are gradually increasing. This shows that the upward strength is growing and the market supports the rise. Now look at the candles. The price is moving upward with consecutive green candles, each closing higher than the previous one. At the entry moment, the candles become even larger without strong pullback. This shows active buyers. Now we wait for the trade to close. And another positive $387 added to my balance. Excellent logic and a clear structure of the movement. Don't you agree? My advice: don't rush into the trade immediately. Always look at the bigger picture, where the price is, which direction the fast-moving averages point to, and what the impulse shows. Trade only when signals align in one direction. The simpler and the clearer the picture, the higher the chance of a successful trade. You've just seen how the combination of 3 moving averages and awesome gives calm, clear entries. I earned a positive of $300 in my balance within just a few minutes. So yes, it's real. You saw it yourself. Simple logic, no unnecessary steps. If you want to see more breakdowns and practical examples, visit my Telegram. See you in my Telegram.